I'm tired. I'm cleaning out my makeup. Moving forward into 2026, I cannot go on with this clutter.
Lines are busting out.
I'm getting ready to make a milkshake. During the day, I like to drink Premier protein shakes. They're delicious. I'm just gonna pour it in here and I'm gonna make me like a little milkshake. And I love my Black Girl vitamins. It definitely helps with my joint, my hair, nails, skin, and so much more. I take 1 scoop of my Black Girl Vitamins collagen powder and I pour that on in there. You don't taste it or anything. And then I just have a full cup of ice because I want this to be more like a milkshake. My beauty room where I film, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, you guys are getting to come behind the scenes in my room where I film. And I have all of my equipment and I have been in a hot mess. These are wigs. There's more, some of the hair, makeup, table, tons of makeup all over the place. All right, so I have literally gone through a lot. This is not even half of it. This is just what was on my vanity. I did order a new vanity for my bedroom. So this is some of these are my MAC shadows. I've had these for a very long time. But having your collections of whatever brands or whatever that you use, or having them together in one place, that way you can do a full face using those products. So I have like all of my MAC lipsticks here, and I got them in like different colors. So I have the red lipsticks, I have my MAC nudes right here. These are the nude family. So I know what I'm grabbing for. It just helps, So I have my reds, my nudes, and then I have my pink fam. And that way I can keep everything together. This is my little beauty fridge. And I've had my lipsticks and lip glosses for so long. I house everything in here in a certain way. It's not the biggest, but I managed to pile it up. So if you want to preserve your lipsticks for a long time, get yourself a beauty fridge. I forgot, here's the rest of my MAC lip glees and glosses. I'm tired. I'm cleaning out my makeup. Moving forward into 2026, I cannot go on with this clutter. I don't think I washed some of this stuff or looked through what I had in years, and I plan on having a huge garage sale and make some extra money. Like, I got some stuff in here from back in the day that some of you probably have never even heard of. Remember these old BH cosmetic palettes back in the day? You got all these colors. These are great to start out if you are a makeup artist. Have these in those kits. They're affordable. And I got so many eyeshadow palettes, I'm not buying no more. Look at all that unused. There's a ton of colors in here. And here's more BH cosmetic palettes. Like, here's a smoky palette. There's hundreds of shadows here. Like, there's no need to buy any eyeshadow forever. Like, I forever have every color. With eyeshadows, guys, people just remix palettes. Like, we're paying for remixes. Look at all these colors in this little small palette here. I ordered a new vanity, which I'm super excited that's coming in from Amazon. More eyeshadow palettes. And I'm trying to get everything organized and just kind of taking an audit of what I have. I've been trying to minimize my life for some years. I went through a lot of depression and anxiety, and what I found and how I healed through that is I started decluttering my house and organizing. It looks like my biggest collection is MAC. I started out with MAC back in the day, and I'm gonna forever be a MAC girl. I still love MAC cosmetics. So here's Fenty, here's Elle. This is my Juvia's Place collection, and here is most of my NARS collection here. NARS is one of my ride or dies. Like, out of all of them, their foundations are the bomb. I love me some Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I have contour palettes, lipsticks, and eyebrow pencils, blushes, highlighters, and I have a few of her eyeshadow palettes. Her palettes are probably one of my top faves because they're super creamy and blendable. I get a lot of questions about my lipsticks, and this is like some of my old school Kat Von D stuff here. I do have a few things from her. These are all of my MAC pigments, some foundations, various pigments. In here I have some concealer, mascara in there. I have like my brow stuff for MAC. This is like highlighters and powder. But being a content creator is not easy. It is a lot of work. What I'm doing is preparing now. Putting things off and delaying things, you're wasting time. Just note that tomorrow's not promised. So whatever it is that you want to do, if you want to better yourself, if you want to improve yourself, you want to become the best version of yourself, but make sure you're doing it for you and not the world. That's it, guys. I'm going to finish cleaning up, and I will see you guys tomorrow.